Hello and welcome. We are going to start week 3, and in this week we are going to discuss about DAX and how to use it for advanced data analysis. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression. It is a formula language which is used in Microsoft Power BI. It helps the user to create custom calculation and perform advanced data analysis. It is a very powerful language which allows you to work directly with tables, columns, and measures in your data models. It helps you to unlock insights that go far beyond what possible with default visualizations. If you have worked with Microsoft Excel, you will feel that data analysis expression is similar to that. Learning DAX is very much important because it helps you to go for advanced calculation. By using DAX, you will be able to create complex metrics like growth percentages, year-over-year comparisons, and running totals, which are generally not possible with standard aggregations. It helps you to solve business problem. It develops solution to real business questions through dynamic analysis, which responds to user selections and filtering. You can create reusable measures, which helps you to build library of flexible measures that can be used across multiple reports and dashboard for consistent business logic. Some of the DAX basic syntax are here. If we want to find out maybe total sales, so we will write the whatever heading we want to give, like total sales equal to sum of sales. This is name of the table, and then within the bracket the column which we want to add. So what it will do, it will take all the values of sales amount from the table sales, add it and give it to the total sales. So there are different key elements in DAX syntax which are like sum, average, calculates. We can also use different operators like plus, minus, division, multiplication, ampersand, etc. We can use table and column references and different variables we can use. So let us come to Power BI and understand how we can use DAX syntax in Power BI.